for asking. So, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Hyderabad. You?
Hyderabad. Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. I'm from Delhi.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Great. And how was your day?
Yeah, it's good. How about yours?
It was a hectic day.
Hectic day.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Okay. So, tell me that. Okay. There is one assignment. Have you gone through it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, the assignment is a
Yeah,
resolution that you wish you could have followed.
yeah. There are the couple of resolutions that I wish I have to follow. Like I should not procrastinate the things. This year, I used to procrastinate my work like that. Sometimes I feel lazy. In upcoming year, I wish I could overcome my laziness. And
Mm-hmm.
I felt like so much of lazy this year. So that's what I
Mm-hmm.
feel. Yeah, these are the resolutions.
Okay. So, what about your upcoming New Year resolution?
Yeah, like I have to exercise every day. This is
Mm-hmm.
also one of the thing because
Okay.
exercise makes us fit. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah,
Yes, you're absolutely right. Okay.
yeah,
So, okay, let's talk about, great. With this, first of all, I'm going to mark your assignment as done,
yeah,
okay?
yeah. Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's talk about, tell me that what kind of student you were during your, teenager? What kind of child you were during your teenager?
Yeah. I say I can say that I'm not like a brilliant student. Yeah, I am an average
I
student.
was not a
Yeah,
brilliant student.
yeah. I was not a brilliant student. Yeah, I'm an average. Like I score
I was.
85.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I scored 85 to 90% in that range. Like yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I feel bored, then I am not into that classes. Like I don't listen.
Mm-hmm.
I like that. I don't listen that classes whenever I felt bored. Whenever I
Mm-hmm.
felt interesting. If the topic is interesting, then
Mm-hmm.
only I used to listen the topic or that subject in my
Mm-hmm.
college days. Yeah, this is what I would like to say.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, great. So tell me that what kind of dream house you would like to build for you?
A dream house, dream house in the sense like it should not be very big, it should not be very small. Like it should be medium, because if we
Mm-hmm.
take a big house, then we need to concentrate on much on household chores. Then it would be a more time taking process. Or if we don't clean, or if we don't take care, then it would be like messy. People,
Mm-hmm.
if any guest comes, then it won't look tight. We fall back of appearance. So if we take
Mm-hmm.
medium house, then it will be easy to make to clean everything. Yeah, this is
Mm-hmm.
what I feel.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay, all right. So tell me that, what what do you talk about the last funny video you watched? You like watching funny
uh,
videos?
YouTube videos.
No, no, funny videos. You like watching videos? I'm just
Yeah,
asking.
yeah, yeah. Well, I like watching videos. Like there is a something regarding comedy show. I think
Mm-hmm.
in YouTube, random. I got
Mm-hmm.
something. He is like Anand something comedy nights. I think. Yeah, that was the last video I saw. He's making fun of his life, like how people met with him. Like yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I really like the way he express his life by making fun of himself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. So, okay.
yeah.
Tell me that if you get an opportunity to go back in your life and you could correct any three mistakes, whichever you have done in your past, so what three mistakes you would like to correct?
Actually, I think I did not made any mistake, so I will accept the way I am. Like life is all about if we may make mistakes only, then we will learn a lesson from it. So I don't think to go back and to correct like that. Yeah,
Mhm. Okay,
something. Yeah, lesson. It's something. If you make mistakes only, it will teach us as
it
lessons.
will teach a lesson, right?
Yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah,
Yes. So every mistake either gives us experience or gives us a
yeah,
lesson.
yeah, absolutely.
Right.
Yeah.
So tell me, Kuti, that okay, what is the meaning of your name?
It means like cloud, meg, cloud. It means like
Cloud.
cloud. Yeah, cloud.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Yeah.
So, and if you have to eat only one thing for the rest of your life, what would you like to eat?
I like pizza. If I would like if in case if I want to eat only thing, then I will eat only the pizza,
Pizza.
chicken
Oh,
pizza. Yeah,
oh
yeah.
wow, yeah. Great. Good.
Yeah.
So, okay, now tell me that talk about a place near to your surrounding, okay? And what I'm observing is right now is your answers are very short, okay? And let me guide
Okay.
you. When you are talking with experts, okay,
Yeah.
always try to speak long for long answers.
Okay.
Give long
Long. Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
okay. When you speaking for when you will be giving long answers in that time, you would be you making more mistakes and
Okay.
you will be needing more words
Yeah,
for
but
speaking.
sometimes I won't get thoughts like that. If any ask questions, like I can't extend that sentence. So sometimes I feel like short. Yeah. This is
You can extend your answer by using your suggestions, okay? Add your suggestions, give
yeah.
up your okay suggestions, opinions, your conclusion. Add
Yeah.
conclusion towards your answer, and you can also give relative examples to it.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
Okay, if you will be using these things, this will actually help you to improve the length of your answer.
Yeah. Definitely.
Good. So tell me, Kuti, now, okay,
Yeah.
I'm going to give you a topic and I want you to use few things which I have just told you, okay?
Yeah.
Either your
Yeah.
opinion, suggestion, conclusion.
Definitely. Yeah.
Describe an old person whom you know and respect a lot.
Uh, in my reality person or any famous person, like
Anyone from
uh,
your life whom
okay.
you yes,
Yeah.
any person whom you know and respect a lot.
Yeah, where I was my
Mhm.
team lead.
Okay.
He is he is really a proactive person. He whenever a new person comes into the office, like he proactively goes to that person, and
Mhm.
he talks to that person, and he helps that person, and
Mhm.
I can say he's a honest person throughout the process. I can say he is very
Mhm.
genuine, and if any like if manager scolds like any people or a teammate, then he won't let
Mhm.
that force come to that. He will act like a shield to us.
Mhm.
So that is a thing we like most in him. He is
Mhm.
very very encouraging to our team, to other team members, in
Mhm.
career wise, in personal wise. So everyone thinks everyone in our team thinks to be like him, and even I also like he gives lot of suggestions to
Okay.
everyone.
Mhm.
um, and he takes so much of stress from the
Okay.
management, but he won't give that stress to other team members.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Mm, yeah, and he also he won't but he will be very empathic towards the people. Like whenever if any team is not feeling well, then he proactively goes to them, and he tells them, okay, you take care of yours. Like today, then he will say, like he is he takes care well the people. I can say so. I can also say that so many fan followers in our process are there for him. Like few people.
Actually good, right?
Yeah.
So it was good. Now you have, explained things. However, what I noticed when you were explaining is that you were repeating your words.
Yes.
But no,
Yes.
the first attempt, I can understand that thing.
Yeah.
Okay, from next time, I have to repeat words. Okay, so
Yeah,
this will
sure.
actually you will gain knowledge and you will be doing practicing on this part. Okay.
Yeah.
Now my suggestion for you would be for feedback would be start narrating the story, the small stories which you must have heard in your childhood, the bedtime stories. Start narrating them.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Right. And when you will be narrating them, okay, you will find new words every time. And this would be a
Yeah.
great start for you. Okay. And once you are done with the small stories, move on to the stories of because they are a bit lengthy
Yeah.
in that. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Kuti, that's all from my
And,
side.
Yeah.
Tell me.
And do you whenever you are going to speak like that, do you concentrate on grammar?
Yes, we do.
Yeah. Okay. Then do you suggest me like, yeah.
You're good in grammar, no issues for grammar. Okay, my suggestion would be you are actually more lacking behind in expressing things.
Okay.
So you just need to
okay.
do that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it's really wonderful.